Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing a very quick video on how to do your gel nails at home. I have got the Mylee LED lamp kit and this is part of my kit that I'm going to be using today. So I've got my LED lamp, I'm using Blue Sky base and top coat, I'm using a buffer, nail prep and polish solution and a lint pad. My full kit was from Amazon and I will share it in the description box below. My nails have already been trimmed and filed and I have washed them carefully to make sure that there's no oil or cream on them. I then buff my nails lightly to rough up the surface. The next step is to wipe over each nail with the prep and polish. I do like to use quite a bit of this and make sure that each nail is done carefully. Next I paint on the base coat. I always put plenty on the ends, which is where they tend to chip most easily. When I've finished, I set my lamp to 30 seconds and cure them. Next I add my colour coat. Today I'm using the Mylee gel polish in pink, and again I will link that in the description box below. What I find is that the colour builds. You feel like you're not doing a very good job, it doesn't look very even, but it tends to even out with each coat and each curing. I cure for 30 seconds under the lamp when I finish that coat. I repeat this 2 more times, so there are 3 colour coats in total. And I cure them under the lamp for 30 seconds in between each coat. Lastly, I paint on the top coat. Again, I'm using the Blue Sky top coat. This time, when I have finished, I cure my nails for 60 seconds, so I place them under the lamp twice. When they've finished curing, I wipe over each nail with the prep and polish solution again. I tend to use quite a bit of this to make sure that they are completely clean and dry. This is what takes off all the sticky residue, and you'll find that you can now just use your hands as normal because the nails are completely cured. Thank you very much for watching. I hope this helps some of you do your gel nails at home. Let me know how you get on in the comments box below. Don't forget to check out my other videos. I have made a video on how to make your gel polish last for weeks and it really works, so check that one out. If you're not a subscriber, then don't forget to subscribe and I will see you in my next video. Bye!